So motors I have fixed. I used only 2 screws, so that is more than enough. So now we'll fix the battery. So before fixing battery, we need to solder the ESC. The positive and these positive and negative points are for the ESC. There are 4 points which are internally parallelly shorted. So I just have to cut this thing and solder here positive and negative. And one from that will go to the battery. So I'm actually facing difficulty for soldering ESC. So I have to remove this bottom panel. So all the ESCs we have soldered here at the bottom. So we'll fix this ESCs here at the bottom with cable ties. So these are the cable ties we are using. So dimensions is 150 by 2.2 mm. So all the ESCs we have fixed. Now we'll be fixing this battery. This is a 2200 mAh. So before this, for the battery we'll be soldering wire. Actually there will be a pin here for this, so which I don't have. So I'll be fixing the battery, and the power input will be so like this. Actually you should use some different colors for positive and negative. So what I'll be doing, I don't have different wires. I'll be marking for the positive, maybe with some red tape or something. So for the battery we are using this thing. So now we'll be fixing the flight controller, which is KK 2.1. We need to fix some insulator here, because so else this on the board these are metal parts which might get short circuit. So we are using the sponge which has come in the box itself. So we will be fixing like this. Make sure that there will be a gap in between this board and this flight controller. So this is a transmitter and receiver FlySky F6 FS i6. So let's see what all comes inside of this. Manual with this. So this is a transmitter and receiver we are going to use. So this is a FlySky F6. So this is the model FSI6. So I'll be showing how we are gonna connect this. Like after connecting, we need to pair this one. We need to bond this one. चलिए दोस्तों, मैं हम अभी बाइंडिंग प्रोसेस आपको दिखाता हूं। तो ये हमारा ट्रांसमीटर हो गया, ये हमारा रिसीवर हो गया। मैंने ऑलरेडी इसमें बैटरीज डाल रखी है, तो मेक श्योर कि ट्रांसमीटर ऑफ पे है। अभी जो रिसीवर के साथ हमको बाइंडिंग केबल मिलता है, बाइंडिंग पिन, इसको आपको है ना यहाँ पे B/VCC, सो आपको B/VCC पे जाना है। तो ये बाइंडिंग और VCC को कनेक्ट करता है। और हो गया इसको पावर सप्लाई। तो ये पावर अवॉइडिंग सर्किट है, मतलब कि इसको आपको इसको पावर सप्लाई बाहर से देने की जरूरत नहीं है। आपको क्या करना है, कोई भी ESC का पिन लेके किसी एक चैनल पे डालना है। तो ये ऊपर के जो लाइन है ये वाले हो सिग्नल पिन्स है, और सेंटर पॉजिटिव और नीचे नेगेटिव। तो हमारा ये व्हाइट वाला सिग्नल पिन है, रेड वाला पॉजिटिव और ये नेगेटिव। तो किसी एक चैनल पे आप इसको डाल दीजिए। मैं डालता हूं 4 पर। तो मैंने इसको 4 पर डाल दिया है। अभी हम इसको सप्लाई देंगे। तो ये में नेगेटिव, ये पॉजिटिव, छोटा सा स्पार्क होगा, वो कॉमन है। ओके, तो आप यहां पे देख सकते हो LED ब्लिंक होने लगी है। तो हम क्या यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा बटन है, आप देख सकते हैं, बाइंड की। इसको क्या करना है, मेक श्योर कि सब थ्रॉटल नीचे है और ये सेंटर पे है और ये बटन्स पूरे अपवर्ड है। तो मैं क्या करूंगा, अभी बाइंड को पकड़ के रखूंगा, देन आई टर्न ऑन द ट्रांसमीटर। तो ये बाइंडिंग हो गया। तो ये जो आप देख सकते हो जो LED ब्लिंक हो रहा था, ये हो गया स्टॉप, मतलब बाइंड हो गया। तो यहाँ पे आपको कंफर्मेशन मिल जाएगी। यहाँ पे अभी 2 बैटरीज दिखा रहा है, ट्रांसमीटर और रिसीवर। तो ये क्या है, ये ट्रांसमीटर है और ये रिसीवर है। रिसीवर बैटरी तो भाई ये वोल्टेज दिखा रहा है इसमें। तो अभी ये बाइंड हो गया। तो ये बाइंडिंग हो गया। अभी हम क्या करते हैं, इसको पिन निकालते हैं, बाइंडिंग पिन है ना, इसको निकाल देते हैं। और अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसको टर्न ऑफ कर दे। कभी भी आपको रिसीवर ऑफ करना है, फिर आपको ट्रांसमीटर ऑफ करना है। अभी चेक करते हैं वेदर ये बाइंड हो गया कि नहीं। अभी मैं इसको पावर सप्लाई दे देता हूं। ओके, अभी यहां पे क्या हो रहा है, हल्के से ब्लिंक हो रहा है, मतलब ये ट्रांसमीटर को सर्च कर रहा है। अभी मैं क्या करता हूं, सब बटन्स नॉर्मल है तो ट्रांसमीटर को ऑन करता हूं। ओके, ये देखिए ब्लिंक, LED ब्लिंक होना स्टॉप हो गया, मतलब ऑटोमेटिक कनेक्ट हो गया। तो हमारा ये अच्छी तरह से पेयर हो गया, बाइंड हो गया। अभी हम इसको हमारे मॉड्यूल पे फिक्स करते हैं यहाँ पे। तो ये होगा यहाँ पे फिक्स। हम इसको केबल टाई से बेटर डबल साइड टेप से चिपकाएंगे, अच्छी तरह से चिपक जाएगा। So now we'll be doing connections for the receiver. So I'll just show you the pins over the KK board. So these pins are for the ESCs and these pins are for the transmitter here. So these are a signal positive and negative, and here also they have given signal positive and negative. Okay, so what we will be doing, so taking first pin, so signal positive and negative, so this will go for the first. So now second one. So all the ESC pins we have connected. So now along with the transmitter receiver you get these kind of cables, these kind of connectors. So this is for the power supply which will be connecting for the first one. The signal should, the white is signal, will connect it for white and the signal. You can see here. Yes. And so what is happening here, this wire is falling short, this won't come here. So I'll be fixing receiver this side and battery to the opposite side. Stop. So this thing we have connected from the KK controller. Now this pin, the one end which is 3 wires are connected and other end singles are connected. So what we'll be doing, we'll be connecting. Okay, so first one for the channel 2, for the channel 2 signal. So make sure that the top wire is for the top. Make sure that the wire comes for the signal pin, then the red for channel 2, and this is the last one for channel 3. So these are the connections we have made here. Okay, so now we'll be fixing this transmitter receiver here. So this is a receiver actually. So this is positive and this is negative. So initially it will show error. We need to select the motor, everything, the setting to eliminate error. So what, menu down, motor layouts, setting, show motor layouts, enter, next, load motor layouts, enter. So what we'll be doing here, so we'll be selecting this X quadcopter X mode, quadcopter plus mode, quadcopter X mode. So enter. It will ask, are you sure? So we'll go with proceed, yes. So direction it is showing 1 clockwise, 2 counterclockwise, 3 clockwise, 4 counterclockwise. Okay, so next. So only 4 we are used, 5th and 6th it is showing unused. So what we'll do, back. So now we'll be going for acceleration calibration. So back. So for the acceleration calibration, make sure that you keep your drone at flat surface. Okay, so now I'll go to end acceleration calibration. Accelerate at level surface. Okay, continue. So it's loading. Okay, so it has, so now it calibrated. So X, Y, Z in all 3 directions. Continue. Calibrate successful. Continue. Okay, acceleration calibration is done now. So now stick scaling will do. Stick scaling. So here you can see so roll all 30, 30, 45, 90. So there won't be any changes here. So we'll come back again. Miscellaneous setting. So miscellaneous setting is here. So here alarm voltage for the battery. Alarm voltage for the battery. What we can do is alarm voltage change. Here 10.5 volt we can consider. Okay. So if battery comes less than 10.5, it will give an alarm. Okay, alarm voltage is set. Rest will be same. So now we'll be doing ESC calibration. So gyro calibration is done. So this all setting is done. So it's showing self level on, okay, battery, temperature, everything. So now we need to do ESC calibration. So for the ESC calibration, okay, why I am not getting the throttle calibration, the 2 beeps in the sense, still I haven't connected the motors to the ESC. So let's first connect the motors to the ESC. So now ESC calibration we have done. So make sure that, so motor direction, so there is an arrow pointed over, it is showing opposite to you, and motor 1, 2, 3, 4. In a sense, this is clockwise. We'll check whether it's rotating clockwise, counterclockwise. So it's safe. I need to turn it armed. So now it is armed. So this motor is rotating counterclockwise. So this is counterclockwise. So this is counterclockwise. These all are rotating counterclockwise. So this should be clockwise. This is already counterclockwise. So only this and this part motor I need to change the wire. Okay, now this is safe. So I'll be changing 2 wires. So let me check now. So armed. Okay, so now this is rotating clockwise. Similarly, this should be clockwise. So what I am doing is, apart from signal pin, the yellow one, you change positive to negative. So we can change its direction. Okay, so let me check. Arm. Okay, clockwise. So this is clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise. So now let us put the propellers. So these are 8-inch propellers. So clockwise, this is counterclockwise. So helicopter is in safe mode.